Collaboration in learning and working as a team results in achieving high goals. So, it is said that when we are united, we have more strength, we have more power. Similar to that, it is the same in education and learning. When we are learning together, because we are learning it with our friends and with other people, and whatever the learning is taking place is being repeated by different people, so it stays in our mind. The mind is like a computer, and it records different voices when the voices are learning the same thing. So it becomes a repetition process which the students are doing again and again because they are amongst their friends. And also because in collaborative learning, everybody is expressing their own opinion. So the mind accepts the opinion of someone, and then it becomes easy for the mind to understand the point. Sometimes the teachers may explain something, but the students may not understand that concept. Whereas while discussing with your friends, it is possible that that concept is made easy by someone who has explained it in a manner which becomes easy for your mind to accept. Teachers can have a role in collaborative learning also, but they need to be free of the traditional control to make decisions. So if the teachers are to be encouraged to have collaborative learning and teaching, then they need to be free of any traditional control of the school. For example, there can be 2 or 3 teachers who decide to merge all the classes one day and have a class with all the students coming from all the sections of that particular class. For example, it's class 5A, 5B, and 5C. So all the teachers of English of 5A, 5B, and 5C decide to merge the 3 classes and let the students intermingle and give them a topic to discuss so that the students will experience some learning from the groups which are outside of their class. But in that case, the school should give more authority to the teachers to let them have collaborative learning. Also, teachers can make collaborative learning possible by taking the students out of the school on trips. Usually it has been noticed that such freedom is not given to the teachers, that they cannot decide on their own that they need to take their students to a certain place in order to make some collaborative learning effort there at the venue. For example, if the teacher wants the students to know about an industry where the cloth is being made, the teacher should be given freedom to take the children to that site, and then with the help of other people in the industry, by having talks with the other people in the industry, the students are going to learn so much from the external sources. Also, when they visit the industry, probably there will be some written material for them to read as well. So there is going to be a bank of resources if these students would be making educational trips. Usually it has been noticed that the teachers do want to take their students out on educational trips, but then there are so many formalities that they have to ask their head, and the head has to ask somebody else, and then there has to be so many concerns of the transport and permissions and things like that, that the teachers are unable to take their students to the site from where the students can really learn a lot, because there is so much of material present there, and there are so many resources as the workers working in the mill or the industry, the people who are in the administration. If these students have a heart-to-heart talk with the administrators in the industry, with the workers in the industry, and how things are being manufactured, then they would learn a lot. And this would be an effort of collaborative learning with the teacher and external agencies.